What's good, man? Y'all already know what we about to talk about. You see the title down below. And if you didn't see it, we're about to talk about that 21-year-old truck driver who was under the influence of some type of narcotic or drug, speeding. I don't know if he wasn't paying attention or if he was paying attention or if he wasn't, but he unalived 3 people. He injured 4 people. It's real bad in the trucking industry right now. And I tell y'all all the time, it is a microscope on the trucking industry. Be careful out there. He was in India. He was from India illegally. So this is the narrative that's been painted for so long. I need all my drivers to let me know how you feel about this incident in the chat, in the comments down below. It could be whatever, however you feel, man. I want to gauge the energy, engage the temperament, engage the feelings of the trucking industry right now. I need you in the comment section as we go and talk. If we miss anything, put it down there. But this has to stop, man. I feel like as I'm reading more about the what's going on, we already had Mr. Singh out there in Florida. And if don't nobody know what I'm talking about, that's the truck driver who did the illegal U-turn. Unalived 3 people. Came from the far right lane to do a U-turn all the way over. That family ain't have no chance. No chance at all. And then months later, here we go again. Trump he painted a narrative. How can you be mad if he painted a narrative and people are fitting the description? You can't be mad. All it does is make you wonder how many other people, how many other drivers are out there illegally, undocumented, probably the wrong documents. I don't know how that occurs. But guess what? They all been coming from California. They all been coming from Washington. They all been coming from all of these different places, but mainly in California. And guess what? This happened in California. It's crazy. I feel like there's going to be more micromanaging in the trucking industry because it's not safe. And so many videos I put when I was in the truck out there this past spring and summer ish, I put out there like, hey, yo, I don't feel safe out here. Because guess what? I was seeing all type of stuff going on. I'm seeing truck drivers. They're they not truck drivers. I seen a truck driver parking up a median. He went over the median to go ahead and back up into a spot. No skill at all. Where is this coming from? Where is it stemming from? All of these CDL schools that it's just a front. Get your CDL, you pay your money. What they've been doing is paying for it. You talking about that Cracker Jack box CDL? There you go. There you go. You got people from Mexico coming here. I don't knock no races. I don't knock no ethnicities. But if you're gonna come here and just be cool, man. Learn everything that you need to learn. Get some money, send it back to your family. It's cool with me. But when it starts to affect the people, man, kids are in the car. This happened prime time. Where is so much traffic out there? Traffic is at a complete stop. If you haven't seen the video, I'm going to connect it to this video. It's a full video of what actually happened. It's getting sad out there, man. It really is. It really is. This is why ICE is out there. This is why DOT is out there. This is why you got federal authorities out there, all because of what's been occurring in the trucking industry. It's been a lot. It's been a lot. And a lot of people are stressed out, because hey, it's a shortage in trucking. It's a shortage. We feel the shortage, and then what? Now it's oversaturated. Oversaturated with who? A lot of drivers who they need the money. We all need the money, but they need the money. So guess what? They all bidding on these rates, the lowest. Who can go the lowest? That's the competition. And guess what? It's pushing all the smaller owner operators out. It's making it just bad out here. Now a lot of brokers are talking to, they talking to us crazy. Have you seen the latest BOL? Have you seen the latest load? Look at the comments from the brokers. What are they saying? Do you have proper ELP? What's proper ELP? English language proficiency. I love my Indian brothers. I love that y'all came here in America. You found a way. I love that. It's ambitious. It's you have ambition. It's admirable that you come over here and you make a way for you and your family. But do it the right way. Just do it the right way. Because guess what? It's no more doing it the wrong way. They have ICE at the rest areas. They have ICE at the uh, um, the truck stops. ICE agents everywhere. Way stations everywhere. Let me know down in the comments if you've seen ICE at your local truck stop or any truck stop. I bet you there's gonna be some truckers on there to say they have, and exactly where. Look at what's going on. Even to the ELP part. Like my guy Truck Mafia said, how would you react to signs if you were a truck driver out there in India? You would be lost because you don't know the way of the land. I would be. It changed my whole mindset about what I once thought about just letting anybody in, because it makes it dangerous for everybody. And it's happening way too often. It really is. It really is. This guy, he's 21 years old. Not only did he unalive people, but guess what? He hurt people and he threw his life away. So he's gonna get probably a stiffer sentence because it's already a target on his back. I want all my people that's coming here from other countries, man. I love y'all. I welcome y'all, but please do it the right way, man. Please. For all my people that's been following me, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate the help and just getting us out there in the algorithm. If you haven't subscribed, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell on there. Hit the like, share it, and get it out there to the masses, man. I'm here with y'all. I'm not here against y'all. I'm really here with y'all, man. This your boy 18 Willing. I love y'all, man. Drive safe out there. If you have any questions, hit my email. If you need my email, just comment email, man, and we could kick it about anything in the trucking industry that's current right now. This your boy 18 Willing, man. I'm out of here. Drive safe.